Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing. This watch was sent over by Saltzman's. This is Tag Heuer Link watch. So let's get this out of here. I'll cut it open on the table, but I'll probably open it off to the side here. I think they put a return label in here for me. So let me just get this open off to the side. I looked at buying a Tag Heuer many years ago, probably 15, 20 years ago. I wanted to buy the Carrera. And also I was looking at the, I think it's called the Carrera chronograph. It had two subdials on it. I think they're at the top and bottom of the dial. But anyway, this is the Link. So it looks like a model number here. And then $3,000 MSRP. I'll leave a link to this watch in the description, and then also to the Saltzman's website in their Instagram as well. So I really appreciate them sending this over for us to check out. Trying not to tear this thing as I pull it off. And if there's any plastic on the watch, I'll be leaving it on the watch. Okay, so a cardboard inner and outer box. This looks to be cardboard as well. And we have some manual in here. So let me set that over here. All right, let's check this out. Yeah, very cool. I wonder how, I can't remember how long ago they had this Link bracelet. I think Tiger Woods wore one of these when they first came out. Okay, so this says $29.50. So let's open this up. Looks to be a butterfly clasp. This cushion kind of reminds me of the Rolex cushion. Not that I've ever seen one in person. Hopefully one day. But that's a story for another video. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It has like a cushion case to it. And it has an integrated bracelet, of course. This Link bracelet. I won't be sizing it or anything like that. I'll just hold it on my wrist. So I have an automatic movement in there. I'm assuming that's an ETA movement. I really haven't looked into Tag all that much. I'm not sure if they're still an independent brand or who they're owned by. So I'll do a little bit of research for the full presentation video. Swiss made since 1860. Wow. Automatic 100 meters. I wonder if that 1860 must go back to when they were Heuer. So a combination of brushed and polished surfaces. Okay, so this is a circle, but then you have these kind of corners here. So interesting case construction. Very neat. I'm assuming this is, yep, push-pull crown, so I should be hand winding it right now. Link caliber 5. So I'll move this handset. Let's pull crown all the way out. Actually, I'll get them all, I should have left them where they're at. I'll move them over to, let's say, 4 o'clock here. I want to make sure I'm in an okay position to change the date. Okay, so I must have to turn the crown clockwise. There we go. We have the date is moving. I'm assuming that is a sapphire crystal, flat sapphire crystal. Looks like it might have some AR coating to it there. Down at the 6 o'clock it says Swiss made. Looks to be a black dial as well. Alright, let's move the handset back to 1010. Alright, so it is a signed crown with the tag Heuer. I guess it's a shield, or their logo there. Come on. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright, let me get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. Actually, I'm curious to see how the heck do you size this thing? I'm not seeing any screw holes there, am I? Okay. Maybe I can size this. Alright, I have a little bit of research to do. I'm not sure how you size a bracelet on this. I see little indentations here. Maybe you just have to stick a toothpick in there or something and you can... I don't know. I know the Cartier Santos has a system where you can just push a toothpick on a button basically in the clasp and then they pull apart. So yeah, I'll have to do a little bit of research and maybe I'll play around with that. I obviously don't want to mess up the watch. It's just in on loan from Saltzman. So anyway, let me get this on wrist. Try not to mess up that tag label there. Tag. I guess it is a tag, but I know a lot of people call tag Heuer. They just refer to it as tag. Don't want to pull that off of there. No, let's see here. What am I doing here? There we go. Alright, let's get this on wrist. Oh, that's kind of interesting too, how that button works there. So the links go inside of these dual pushers here. Just push one in and it won't release the clasp. I don't know how good of a fit you can get with this. The links are a little bit deceptive. Links are fairly long, so you're probably wearing it loose. That's a good looking watch. Let me know what you guys think of this watch in the comments. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Like the video if you liked it. Sorry, I got a bunch of clutter here. Still enjoying the Helios Fairwind. Okay, went on a little bit too long with this unboxing, but as always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.